Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how much YouTube pay me for 800 views. I know most of you have been seeing creators where they talk about how much YouTube pay them for 1,000 views, 10,000 views, 1 million views, and most of you have been wondering that what if you make video and the video is not up to 1,000 views, you not get up to 1,000 views, will YouTube still pay you or not? And in this video I'm going to answer that question. I'm going to share with you how much YouTube pay me for 800 views for a video of 5 minutes. And this is going to shock you. And if you are a content creator or you want to start YouTube and you are still contemplating on whether to start or not, this is going to make you to make that decision for you to either start YouTube or not. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, do well to give this video a thumbs up and also drop a comment in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. I will log into my YouTube channel, then I will click on content, then I'll click on view all content. So I'm going to scroll down to go and search for that video that I want to show you the earnings. So this is the video. I'll click on it. These are some of the details about the video. The title of the video is how to get free stuff on Temu in 2025. This video was published on the 15th of March 2025. So you can see some information. So I'm going to click here to get more information about the video. Currently now the video has gotten about 905 views since published. The watch hour that this video has gotten is 27.6 watch hour. That is the watch hour the video has gotten. Then the subscriber is 3 subscribers, which is very low. Then the audience retention of this video is 1 minute 50 seconds. This is very low. It's not good at all. But that is that. The read time views that this video got in the last 48 hours is 45 views. That is the views that this video got in the last 48 hours. If I click on the reach, the impression reach that this video has gotten is 7.1k impression that this video has gotten since it was published, which means 7,100 people have seen the thumbnail of this video. The impression click-through rate is 9.5%, which is very good, which means people are clicking the video once they see the thumbnail, and this is very good. Now the unique views of this video that this video has gotten is 757, which is very good from a view of 905. Alright, so how viewers find these videos? These are some of the terms. These are some of the ways viewers find these videos. So one of them is YouTube search, which means people search for YouTube, they can be able to see this video. Then browsing features, other YouTube features, notification suggested video, which means YouTube is suggesting the video to other people to watch. Related shorts, channel pages, external, direct and unknown playlist. So these are some of the ways people are able to find this particular video. If I scroll down, external sites or app that people use to find this video, one of them is Yahoo search, then Bing.com, YouTube, Google search, WhatsApp, Telegram, and all the rest. Content suggesting this video. These are the different content that are suggesting this my particular videos. So you can see different content. So my content are also included in this video. So some of my content are also suggesting this video. So these are the different content that are suggesting this video. You can also use this to know the type of video that your audience are watching. Playlist featuring this video. So this is the playlist that is featuring this video. So that's why it's very important that you should create a playlist to feature your videos. Your playlist will make people to watch more of your videos. So your playlist is very important. Let's go to engagement. So watch time, I've talked about the watch time before. The key audience retention, I've also talked about the audience retention. What bring the audience retention was the intro. So the intro drag the audience retention downward, then before it went up a little bit, before it went down. So you can also use it to adjust how you make your videos. Then we have a like and dislike. Then if you go to audience, so let's check the audience. Returning viewers, so I have about 283 returning viewers. So thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. So these are people that have watched my videos before and they come back to watch my videos, so I appreciate. Divorce type, the type of divorce that they are using to watch this video. So I have mobile, which is 86%. They will have computer, TV and the tablet. Then the age bracket of people that are watching this my particular video. So we only have one bracket range that are watching this video, from age 25 to 34. These are the age range that are watching this my particular video. Then the gender, we have a male and female. So male is more, which is 75, and female is 25. So that is very good. Then top geographical location, country that they are watching this video from. So we have only one country that are watching this particular video, which is Nigeria. Then we have a subtitle and languages, so you can see all that. Then watch time from subscribers and the non-subscribers. So for non-subscriber is 62.8%, then subscribers is 37.2%. So we have more non-subscribers that are watching this video. So let's go to the cocoa of the day, which is the revenue that this video has given me so far. So this video has generated for me so far $6.30. That is the amount that this video has given to me. Now if I scroll down, videos performance, I've gotten $6.30, and what gave me this $6.30 is 880 views. That is the numbers of views that gave me this $6.30. The revenue per 1k views, that is the RPM of this video. For every 1000 view in this video, I will get $7.15. So this is a very good one compared to some other videos. So this is very high compared to some other of my videos. Now how much advertisers are paying? So how much advertisers are paying for every 1000 views, which is the CPM. Advertisers are paying $11.44 for every 1000 view in this particular video. So once YouTube will remove their own part, then they are going to be giving me for every 1000 views $7.15, which is very good. So this is how much YouTube pay me for a video of 800 views. So just imagine if I got 10k views, 100k views, or 1 million views from this particular video. So just imagine how much I would have made from this particular videos. So if you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So I will see you in my next video.